Hindi pa. Wait. Go.
Team. Okay, so unboxing natin yung ating kukuha lang na American Classic Commander. Ano siya? 4.25-inch barrel in chambered in 45 ACP, and it's in nickel chrome, manufactured by Metro Arms. Actually, nag-deposit ako dito noong February pa. It takes 6 months kasi by pre-order siya. Okay, so tingnan natin yung itsura ng laman. Comes in a nice casing. Maganda yung ano niya for the protection of the firearm. Out of the box, tingnan natin. So you have your standard na manual. Dito siya. And then yung ating mga paperworks. Ito yung PTC. Passport transport natin. And yung mismong unit. It comes with dalawang magazine. So the magazine, meron siyang konting base plate, and it's Acmag. Acmag ang brand ng kanyang magazine. So before we handle the firearm, check muna natin kung clear siya. Release natin yung mag. Nothing in the chamber. Walang magazine. Empty round. Okay. So medyo smudge, but makita natin yung finish niya is in chrome. Very nice. Standard yung kanyang grips. Metro Arms, official Metro Arms grip siya. Yung kanyang Metro Arms logo. Then yung hammer niya, meron din siyang skeletonized, pero it's actually Metro Arms logo. Skeletonized trigger, adjustable din siya. Yung kanyang slide release and thumb safety extended. Then yung mag release niya is also extended. Then we also have yung Novak style sights. Then meron siyang serrations dito sa back. Nothing in the front. Medyo beveled siya rito, may cutout siya pati dito para mas madaling ipasok yung trigger and yung finger, and mas masarap hawakan dito. Okay, now check naman natin yung functionality niya. So to check the functionality, lagay muna natin yung isang magazine. This is, by the way, 8 round magazine. This is supposed to be chambered in 45 ACP. Yes, so andyan naka-indicate 45 ACP. So functionality check. Magazine goes in, pops out. Magazine in, pops out. So okay yung mag-release natin. Then check natin kung magla-lock siya. So nag-lock siya. Locks in. One more. Since empty yung magazine natin, supposed magla-lock in siya. Now, itong next na functionality check, hindi siya advisable on an empty chamber, pero gagawin na rin natin twice just to check yung functionality ng firearm. So hindi natin i-engage yung grip safety, pero i-release natin yung slide to see kung yung hammer ay magda-drop. So check natin. Hindi nag-drop yung hammer. So that's good. Now ulitin natin. This time i-engage naman natin yung grip safety and i-release natin. Tingnan natin kung magda-drop yung hammer. Hindi nag-drop ang hammer. That's good. Okay, so yung next na functionality check natin will be the thumb safety. So engage yung thumb safety, hindi siya nagpa-fire. Release natin. Okay, again. Now this time i-check naman natin yung trigger at saka yung reset niya. Okay, now tingnan natin yung trigger. Very smooth, very light, maganda. Now yung reset niya, Reset is about there. And meron siyang definitive wall. Very light. One more. So reset. And nice. Now, one more functional check will be the grip safety. So hindi natin i-engage yung grip. Hindi nagpa-fire. Hindi nagda-drop yung hammer. So engage natin yung grip safety. There. So functional yung ating grips. Now, check natin yung mga fittings niya. Walang alog. Very snug. Overall maganda siya. So 6 months, nga pala. It's flat lang siya, wala siyang beveling para dun sa ating magazine. So straight out lang siya. This is shorter dun sa ating American Classic 2 by about 0.75 inches. Kaya yung American Classic 2 meron dito mga front serrations. This one wala. Pero basically still the full size grip. Pero mas mahaba yung AC2. And so this is the American Classic Commander, purchased from Lynx. Again, 6 months waiting time kasi pre-order siya. Pero available naman siya sa layaway plan. Okay. Again, it's worth the wait. So thanks for watching.